Hello guys, it will surprise you that I prepared a spot of delicious goodness with less than 1,500 naira. It is a very good season for us in Nigeria. Everyone is good and you still want to eat and feed well. Eat balanced diet with as low as 1,500. These are my ingredients. Stay tuned and watch till the end. Hello guys, good afternoon. These are the ingredients for my vegetable soup. This is a soup that I am putting together with less than 2,000. So I got this vegetable, this ugu leaves for 200 naira. This is frozen fish. I got this for 300. This is kote. I got these 2 bulbs of onion, 400 naira. I got this palm oil for 150 naira. I got this fish, this panla fish, smoked panla fish. For 200 naira. I got this pomo, aka cow skin, for 250 naira. I got this rodo, habanero pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, whichever one you want to call it, for 200 naira. Then I have this. So I'll be cooking my vegetable soup and I'll show you the outcome. So yeah, I'm starting with my palm oil. I'll be eating up my palm oil for some minutes. I'll allow it to heat up for a few minutes. Then after this, I'll go in with my onions, stir fry it a bit, and I would add in my pepper. Yeah, I added my onions here. I would fry it for a bit for like 2 minutes. I want to still keep the crunch if possible, so I just stir fried a little. My oil was not hot enough, so I increased my heat a bit to fry the onions a little bit. Yeah, so I fried like this. I stirred continually so it doesn't burn. I don't want my onions to get burned, so I added my crushed pepper into this, stirred it as well, and mix so that it doesn't get burnt. There's no water in it for now. So after that, I added my fish. Yeah, I added the 4 pieces of fish that I got for 300 naira, and I added water to it. I added my cow skin and I added a little water so that the fish can get cooked. So yeah, you see me adding my fish. I'll stir it in. Then I added my cow skin. I added my cow skin to this, and I added water to it so that it can cook my fish properly. So I just checked up on it to make sure it's not burning and everything is still on point and everything is going as well. So I just checked up on it, covered it back, and after a few seconds or a few minutes I opened it, stirred it again. Then I added my smoked fish into it. I added my seasoning cube, So next, I added my locust bean to add some native and local spice to it. And at this point, everywhere was on fire with the aroma coming from this pot of deliciousness. It was really, really smelling nice. It was calling my neighbors to come and see what I was doing. So at this point, I just felt like making rice or pasta and eating it with this. So at this point, I added my vegetables and I was almost done at this point. I tossed it around. I tossed it off camera. So here it is. Just just imagine. Just look at this pot of deliciousness with less than 1,500 naira, and it will be enough to feed a family of 4, even more, with just a little. You can still get a little. You can still feed well and not break the bank. You get what I mean? Just see. Just see the green, the fishes, the pepper, and see how everything just married well into each other. And at this point, I could not but just eat out of it. And my children add this with fufu, while I add mine with rice. It can pair well with anything. You can have it with spaghetti, you can have it with yam, you can have it with potato, you can have it with rice, you can have it with swallow. You can just eat it on its own. It's just so good. It tastes amazingly wonderful. Please, if you end up trying this recipe, you can chat me up or just drop a DM for me on Instagram where I see it, and just let me know your own review about it. It is yummy, it is nutritious, it is beautiful, it is amazing. It is just everything in one. Thank